Greetings all. My name is Nature Mogotsi and I'm an operational risk management practitioner based in Botswana. My topic is on unpacking effective fraud risk management strategies. What a relevant topic for such a time like this. Fraud is increasing on a daily basis. New and emerging fraud schemes keep surfacing. The question is, are we ready to manage these fraud schemes that keep surfacing? Let's touch base at the ACFE Africa conference, unpack the topic further, look into our governance practices, looking into our processes. Are we fully aligned to manage fraud, especially in a technological era? I look forward to engaging with you. Thank you.